How to use Airtable Pro properly. Beginner mistakes that cost you. Airtable Pro is an incredibly flexible platform for managing projects, databases, and workflows, but beginners often make mistakes that limit its potential. The surprising truth is that simply having the Pro plan isn't enough. How you structure your bases and automations matters. The first mistake is poor base organization. Beginners often create messy tables with unclear field names or inconsistent record types. Airtable Pro allows you to use linked tables, custom views, and field types to keep your data clean. For example, linking a client's table to a project's table prevents duplicate entries and provides a clear overview of all ongoing work. Another common error is undruising automation. Airtable Pro supports automated notifications, record updates, and task reminders. Many beginners rely on manual updates, wasting time and risking errors. Setting up automations for overdue tasks or status changes keeps your workflow consistent and reduces stress. A third mistake is ignoring filtering and grouping. Airtable Pro lets you create filtered views for teams, like showing only tasks assigned to a particular person or projects due this week. Beginners often rely on one massive view, making it hard to find relevant information quickly. Collaboration is another area where mistakes happen. Beginners may not assign permissions properly, leading to accidental edits or data loss. Airtable Pro allows fine-grained control over who can view or edit each table, keeping your data secure. Finally, some users neglect reporting and dashboards. Airtable Pro's blocks and apps can generate visual reports and charts. Not using these means missing opportunities to analyze performance and share insights with your team. To use Airtable Pro effectively, organize your bases carefully, set up automations, use filtered views, manage permissions, and leverage dashboards. Avoiding these mistakes ensures your workflow is efficient, organized, and powerful.